Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, special features, and fun, fun, fun. And boy, are we set to have some fun. I'm so excited about the changes that have been taking place over the past few years that is restoring the waterfront of downtown Kingston to her former glory. I remember back in the day, and that was not so long ago, when that was the place to be. And even as a young working girl, lady, down on the waterfront at Hotel Oceana, we had quite a time. And so last evening, we took the opportunity just to venture down on the waterfront to see the enhancements and to see all that's new. And I was so happy to see that my long awaited dream has come true. And that is a cat. A new cat is on the sea. And this cat is loose, so loose. They call her Loose Cannon. And she is taken to the seas and causing havoc in a good way. The Loose Cannon tours are here to stay, guys. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited will be bringing this cat to you, sailing on Fridays, doing what we love to call the Friday night Lyme, all inclusive, full bar, food, and of course the rhythms of the Caribbean. And of course, she comes with all sorts of features and amenities. Let me not talk too much about her because there is one who can do a greater justice to this new cat that has taken to the seas.
Saying Loose Cannon Tours is bringing something new to Kingston. Kingston is not usually viewed as a tourist destination, hence we've not had a product like this to offer. This is now going to be offered to our visitors to the island, but also to our residents, right? We have some of the most beautiful beaches. We're at one now where we've taken the cruise out to Maiden Key today, which is a gorgeous beach with white sand and turquoise water. And we're out here on the Loose Cannon catamaran, which is a 69-foot catamaran, fully air conditioned, 4 bathrooms, bar inside, sun pads on the front, very comfortable seating throughout. And so we're giving a first class service to everyone who is interested. We're planning to do 2 cruises. One is going to be a beach cruise, which is what we're doing today, which will be 11 to 5 p.m. or 4 p.m. I'm sorry, 11 to 4 p.m. And then we're going to do a cruise at nights down in the harbor, which is very beautiful, leaving at about 7 o'clock and coming back at about 10 o'clock. Both cruises include food and drinks, including Red Stripe beer, sodas, and a very nice meal.